Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a common dilemma. You are doing everything right into your business, but sales just aren't growing as fast as you would like. Whether you are a new entrepreneur or a leading seven-figure company, this video is packed with actionable strategies to accelerate your sales cycle. So if you are interested in this subject, let's get started. For those who don't know me, my name is Nicoletta Hayek and I have 20 years of experience in global sales and business development. And today we are going to talk about how to shorten as much as possible the cycle time. Imagine this. You've just launched a revolutionary product, but guess what? Nobody in the world but you knows about this product. So how do you convince potential customers to take that leap of faith? Well, there are different strategies that you can use. And let's talk about securing those crucial initial sales. The first thing that you can do is limited time discounts. It means, like, for example, you can offer 20% for the first 50 customers. It's like you are throwing a big party and you are saying that the best snacks will be available only for the first hour. So guess what? Everybody will jump to take those first snacks. Then you can do free trial offers. Think of this like a test drive. It's your chance to show off what your product can do risk-free. Then another thing that you can do bundle deals. Everyone loves a good deal. Bundle up your product and watch as customers are drawn to the added value. You can do free value ads like, sweeten the pot, free shipping, or a complimentary setup can be the nudge to an hesitant buyer need. What I like to do with my customer is just to create the sense of urgency with very limited time offers. It's the now or never approach that can drive quick decisions. Another thing that you can do is just to have a very simplified buying process. Make it as easy as possible for your customer to say yes. Another thing you can do is just offer guarantees. If your customer are not 100% satisfied, then they can have the money back guarantee. If you really trust your product, you can do that, and that will diminish their fears and it will build trust in your product. Okay, so just to give you an example, I had a customer, she was named Emma, and she launched a new skincare line and offered for the first 100 customers a special gift set with their first purchase. It was a very good thing for her because the customer really liked this bundle deal and they were more confident to do the buying. And like that, she gained her first customers, and then she was able also, because the product was really good, she was able to have recurrent revenues from those customers coming back to her for more products. Okay, we talked about what to do in case you are a new entrepreneur or you have a new product to launch on the market. But then let's not forget about our existing customers. And they are the backbone of our business, and how to create the sense of urgency and how to make them come back to buy from us other products to create recurrent revenues. There are also a few tactics that we can use here. We can have automated upsell offers You know, it's like being a smart waiter who knows exactly when to suggest the perfect dessert. Like that, you can also offer an additional to the product that they already bought, or an additional service to make the package complete. Another thing that you can do is loyalty and referral programs. If you find a really good way to reward your customers, they will not only be coming back to you themselves, but they will bring also their friends and people they know in order for them to get the additional bonus from you. You can offer early access and VIP treatment. Who doesn't love a VIP treatment? Make your customer feel special and they will stick around. And not only that, but they will be your most faithful promoters into the market. And follow up. I always say, if you are following up with your customers, you can find what is that makes your customer satisfied with your product. If he needs any support, you will find out in time. And also, if you see additional products that you can package for him and provide him a personalized and tailored solution, he will feel like you are there to support his needs, and he will bring with him other promoters for your product, service, or for your brand. If you see that you have inactive users, the only thing that you can do is to start re-engaging with them and find the initial spark that made them come to you in the first place. Find the thing that you were missing, or maybe you didn't pay enough attention, and try to find a way that you can get them back to your products and services. You can do with your existing customers seasonal or event promos. You can capitalize on the moment, offer special deals during holidays or maybe relevant events. You can take advantage and make small surprises and delight, unexpected gesture of attention that can turn a satisfied customer into a lifelong fan. How should your approach be different? We all know that there is no one size fits all strategy. It depends, for example, if your business or service that you are providing is dedicated business to business or is business to customer. And let's start, see which should be the main actions in business to business, and then we will talk about business to customer. In business to business, it's all about building relationships and proving how your product fits seamlessly into their business. What is their added value by working with you? Is there more efficiency? Are there less costs? Is there a return of investment in the shortest time as possible? When we are talking about business to customer, we need to focus on creating an emotional connection and a frictionless buying experience. As I said, make as easy as possible for the end customer to buy your products or your services that you are providing. Okay, so I hope that now you have more ideas. You can see here and here as a reminder the things that you can do. And please, if you have any other actions that I haven't mentioned, please think that your customer are returning to you for a reason. So you need to give them that reason. And the key is to convey value, minimize risk, and streamline the process. And don't forget to monitor and adapt based on what resonates with your audience. Stick to these strategies and watch your conversion grow. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it and you have new ideas now how you can grow your customer base and how you can convert faster, even if you are a new company or a big company which is already having some steady customer base. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your network. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies that will bring up your sales and it will unlock your sales potential.